As you saw in the title of the video, today we're working on a scoop for dog food, which we will use rebar, square it, twist it, do some other fancy stuff, and attach it to a scoop that we make with a cutout of sheet metal and a swage tool that I made out of pipe. We'll rivet those together with brass rivets that I'll cast in the next video. What we're going to do, I don't know if you can see this on camera super well, is put the end piece on the corner of the anvil and hit where it's half on, half off, which will put a step in the material. We'll just keep doing that until it's about halfway up. See, this time I actually decided to get it hot. Yeah, it's important to get it right in the middle there, keep it flat so it doesn't bend. And you'll see we're left with that nice indentation, so the scoop will fit right up in there. Alright, so the next part, after I get it a little bit better squared out, we're going to get it really hot, and we're going to get it clamped in a vise and with a wrench or something. We're going to twist it. Alright, I've gotten this as hot as I possibly can. Now let's see if this can work at all. I know it's incredibly stupid, but hey, it's what I've got. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's not easy though. Yeah, imagine what this would be like with a proper forge and tools. Alright, so now I need to make sure that the bottom is in line with the top. And that part is done. Oh, you had a terrible angle. Well, the deed is done. So from here, I suppose we get it straightened out, maybe taper out the bottom, and then we'll turn it over and finish it. Most of this curled around. Well, it's a little bit hot. I'm going to try to keep going a little bit. Alright, and what we want to do is with the tip here, and this is just for detailing, the tip I'm going to have it curl out the opposite way. Oh, it's already cold, but maybe I'll use the rounded corners here. Yeah. So yeah, just going for that little bit of a flare at the end. I'm gonna get that a little bit further, and then I'm gonna keep bending this into its eventual spherical shape. Okay, got the scoop cut out, so I think we're going to start using the swage tool, and we sink this area down, and then we kind of just make the rest of this curve to match the sink. Okay. Now that I know it's not done, but just for convenience, I'm gonna start bending it back in. Alright, well, this part of the video is a long time in the making, but next we'll go ahead and make the new foundry and cast the rivets and get it all done. Subscribe to see that.